Okay, now we're going to fill some empty areas when cropping. The panorama image looks great except for two things. The horizon is slightly tilted, so if you look along this, you see it kind of goes down, so it's not straight. And the lower handrail is incomplete down here. You see this? Doesn't look real good. So, if you were to rotate the image, empty areas might appear at the corners, requiring a tighter crop and losing parts of the image. Fortunately, the same content-aware technology that filled in empty areas resulting from the panorama merge can also fill in empty areas that can result from straightening and cropping. So make sure you still have this file open. Select the background layer. Make sure you're on the background layer. Choose layer. And we're going to flatten this image. Excuse me. Select the crop tool. The crop rectangle and its handles appear around the image. In the options bar, select the straighten icon and make sure that you click content aware. Make sure that's selected. Position the straighten pointer on the horizon at the left edge of the image and drag to the right to create a straight line that's aligned with the horizon, and release when you reach the end of the horizon at the right edge. So we're going to click right here, hold down the mouse and drag till you get over here and let it go. Voila. Notice there's now a white space that needs to be filled near the corners. With the crop rectangle still active, we're going to drag the image down until the incomplete part of the lower guardrail is outside the crop rectangle. So drag it down like that. All right. Click the commit button in the options bar. And look at there, because we had content aware selected, it filled in up there at the top and sides of the image. The keyboard shortcut for the commit button is pressing the enter or return key. So let's click file and then save. Now we're going to do something that some of you may be aware of, some of you maybe not. Photoshop is pretty smart and pretty cool on a lot of things, and one of the things you can do is replace the sky. So when you find the right subject for something but it doesn't have the right sky to match the mood or time of day you may want to convey, you can easily swap out the sky in Photoshop. Sky replacement does many of the tough parts for you, such as creating a mask for the sky and making colors more consistent between the photo and the new sky. So with your same document open here, we're going to click Edit. I don't want to be on that crop tool, that bothers me. So Edit Sky Replacement. And when you click on that, it opens up this dialog box. Look, it's already done something. So what you can do is you click this arrow right here, and you see make sure that you have preview selected. So as you go through these, you can see a preview. If I were to click this one, you can see that it does this. That doesn't look good. But scroll down and you can see the different types of skies. These are ones that are pre-built in there. You can also click this gear icon, get more. You can import images. I've never done that, but there is a way where you can get more. So this is why a lot of times when you see a really cool picture, it's like, did they really do that? Now that one got a rainbow. Now when you do this, if you check the quality of the automatically composited image, sometimes colors of two images aren't consistent. If you see issues with the edge quality of the automatic sky mask, you can zoom in to check edges. So if you zoomed into this image, just another way to scroll. Let's see, let's just say we click that one. And then if I click away from it, so from here, you can make changes. You can shift edges, and you see when you do this, if you look at the bottom or just look at the image, you can see changes that you've done. You can change even the colors of whatever you've done. So you can reposition the sky image with the sky move tool up here. You can move it around, different things. But make sure you have the preview checked so you can see what you're doing. So once you have done what you, when you're satisfied, make sure New Layers is selected, and then click OK. And you can see over here all the things that you've done. If you hide those, you can go back to your original image. You can even see, ooh, it's like it's about to rain. So play around with it. Get a sky image that you like, and we are going to just click. Once you have yours like you want it, it should not be the original. It should be a different sky image. Just click File, and then Save, and then that's what you're going to turn in.